Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video, we are simply going to learn how we can fix Instagram's following problem. Maybe you are trying to follow somebody on Instagram and it says you that try again later, limit exceeded, or something else type of messages. So in this video, we are simply going to learn that. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So for example, if I open my Instagram app and then try to follow somebody on Instagram, it could load the error of saying try again later. So in my case, I don't have that error, but if you do have, then you want to simply follow some of the steps which I describe in this video. Now the first thing you definitely want to do is make sure we have an up-to-date version of Instagram. So open your app store no matter where you are at and then try to type in Instagram and see whether Instagram has an update available or not. If it does have an update available, then go ahead and tap on this update button which you see beside the Instagram logo. After we have updated our Instagram app, maybe you are trying to follow somebody and it still says you the error. You need to understand why this happens in the first place. The thing is that Instagram limits your following error because maybe it detected that you have been following too many people and profiles recently on Instagram. So when you follow too many people on Instagram, Instagram will automatically limit when you are actually able to follow. So you want to simply make sure to wait 24 or maybe 2 or 3 days until you can follow somebody again, because most of the time Instagram is automatically going to give full access back to your account. If not, then you also want to check your following list. You need to understand that Instagram does not allow you to follow more than 7,500 profiles per account. So recently Instagram has actually mentioned that you can only follow 7,500 profiles per one account. You will not be able to follow more than those numbers, so make sure you have not exceeded those numbers. Now even after you have waited certain times before you could actually follow other people, now you still don't have access to your account, then the other thing I recommend doing is that first of all we will simply try to change our password, because before sending a report to Instagram, we are simply going to try to go ahead and change our password. We want to go to settings right over here, and then we want to go to security tab, and then here at the top we want to type in password, and then here we want to enter our current password, then type in new password and then reconfirm the new password again. And after we have changed our password, we want to simply come back and go to the help section right at the bottom, and we are going to go to report a problem, and here we want to type in report a problem. Now here we want to simply type in and include a screenshot of the error which you have, and you want to type in simply that, hey, I don't know who was using my account. I have tried changing the password and now I want access back into my account. Would you please mind regaining full access to my Instagram account? You just want to type in that much and then send a report to Instagram, and hopefully Instagram will get back at you within a few days or so, or maybe within 24 hours if your report is actually worthy or not. So we hope this fixed your issue. If it did fix, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more questions, then also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.